Filipina Life in Ireland, back again. Hi. Today is Wednesday, so we are on a trip today to Sligo. I don't know which part Sligo is in Ireland, but we're gonna be staying there for at least one night. Is that right, baby?
That's right.
Say hi, baby. See you guys. Bye bye.
2 hours later.
Hi guys, we're here in the Sligo. We're in the hotel now. We're gonna show you our room tour. Where is it, baby? Is it over here? Yeah, I think so. We're here now, baby. Come on. Yeah, there. There you go. There you go. I wonder if... Welcome to our room. Wow. It's so nice. You like it? You like it, baby?
Yes, no problem. Nice view.
That's good. Let me see. Wow, we have a river view. Let me see. Yeah, river. Wow.
This is Sligo.
Sligo. This is Sligo. We have a nice view. Wow.
Water.
Yeah, water. Wow. Boot. Can we open this? Yeah, but it's too dangerous, I think. They will just save you. Wow. At least we get the river, baby.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah.
Everything is beside us.
River.
Shopping centers,
River.
It's a nice river, baby.
bars. Oh
Wow.
my god.
She.
You like the water, Hickson? You like the river view?
So this is our bed. That's a big bed for the three of us, right? And we have coffee and tea, complimentary, and our toilet. Nice, small. Oh, shower. I was hoping there's a bathtub, but there's no bathtub. See guys, I'm just using my phone. Nice bed. And at least you have a big telly. Wow. This is gonna be our room for 2 days.
Yes, 3 days.
We're gonna walk around in the Sligo, guys. See you, baby.
Daddy.
I think that's a big cathedral as well. It's blurred, sorry. There is a coffee. Is that a restaurant there?
That's as if.
Oh, sorry. Baby is making coffee. Coffee. If you're in Ireland, guys, you will love coffee. Right, Daddy?
Yes, you love coffee. Coffee is very nice in Ireland.
Yes.
Use code TV100 for £100 off by calling free on 0800 999 8123 or visit
Shishi.
Coffee.
Coffee. Coffee. Shishi coffee. Say hi, everyone. Si baby, gusto niya yung ano.
A few moments later.
Guys, ito yung hotel na aming sinistayhan. Riverside Hotel ang tawag dyan. So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa river na nakikita nyo sa aming room. Ayan siya, guys. Maliit lang mga hotel dito, guys.
See that later?
The bar, we're gonna go see that later. Hello. Yeah, river. Wow. This is a nice river here. The long walk. So this is the Sligo, guys. This is our first time here. Yes, Daddy?
Yes, first time, yeah. Hickson.
Wow. Why is it black? Go, baby, quick. You like the river?
It's nice here.
Let's go. Wow. Guys, if you want to go on a boat, you can also go on the boat for touring. But we're not gonna go because we have a baby. So that's our hotel there, by the way, Riverside, and that is the restaurant or somewhere for breakfast or something, dinner, lunch. Yes. So our room is over there. That is the hello room. Be good. Wow. Do you like the river, babe? What's that? What's this for? It's like a landing for the airplane landing. No, you cannot open the door. Okay, yeah, I think so. Hindi namin alam guys kung saan kami pupunta, pero ano lang to, lakad-lakad. Pupunta na kaming mall guys. See you in the mall.
A few moments later.
Hello guys! Hi! May nakilala akong Pinoy dito sa Sligo.
Welcome po sa Sligo!
Maraming salamat. Saan ba yung penis dito?
Po, diretso lang.
Diretso lang. Okay. See you. See you. Guys, tingnan nyo ang ganda. Ang ganda guys. Pero napaka ano yan, dangerous. Yeah. My God. Die for sure. My God. Let's go now. Over there, oh. My God, takot ako dito guys. Come on, let's go. Let's go. We continue to our journey. Guys, papasok na tayo sa isang mall. Ang tawag nito ay Penis. Mura lang to guys. Dito lang tayo sa mura. Alam niyo na, hindi kompleto ang ating bakasyon kapag walang shopping. Shopping for the babies. Let's go over there. I think it will last. Kailangan natin bumili ng mga cardigan kasi malamig na guys. Let's go. Come on.
Let's go this way.
Damit guys kasi ano nag-school na siya. Tama ba? Hirap ang Tagalog. Bibilhan namin siya ng ano winter outfit. Put that over there.
Your mother's chocolate.
Okay, here, look, you stay beside mommy, daddy, huh?
Yeah.
There's something down here.
Yeah, there's nothing in there, baby.
There's no, this fit him, yeah?
Yeah, there's more here. Kailangan natin ng I think this is baby seat. When we go to the 7 and 15 years.
This way.
There's nothing there, baby. Come on, go to daddy. Caleb. Quick. Come on, we're gonna buy you a jeans. And trousers.
Next in some small. You tired, son?
There. How about this? Someone is over there, you see. I don't like. You're blocking the whole way.
Look here, this one. Come over here.
Come on, mommy here. Come on here.
3 to 3, I'll be on his side, isn't it?
Yeah. But this old hoodie, I want something like
I want to make a long
plain, like the one you had.
That's nice warm feel, huh?
Hmm.
And as we heard it that too. That's There's no hood in that. That's a one we one there.
Yeah.
67.
Guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. Tapos na kami nag-shopping. Konti lang guys. Para lang kay baby, you know. Binibili namin lang siya ng ano, something to wear for his clothes. Clothes, something to wear to his school. Ayan si baby. Kinakarga. Baby! Lakad-lakad kami guys. Para malapit lang naman yung hotel namin sa aming pinupuntahan. Next is kakain na kami. Kain. Walk. See you there guys. Guys, ito na yung kakainan namin. Tawag nito ay Super Mac. Para siyang Jollibee para sa akin guys. Kasi masarap yung chicken nila. Super Mac. Super Mac. My love. Where are you going? Sitting here? Come on, Shishi.
You sit here.
Super Mac. Order muna tayo, guys. Guys, tapos na kami kumain. Pupunta kami ngayon sa cathedral dito sa Sligo, guys. Bibisitahin namin yung malaking cathedral nila. Bumblebee. Wasp. See you. Kita niyo ba yung mountains dyan, guys? Ayun sa cathedral. Malaking cathedral sa Ireland. Sa Sligo. Bibisita. Ang laki niya, guys. Oh. Wow. Oh. Is there a mass? Pasok tayo dito sa cathedral, guys. Ito na ang papasok. Ang laki niya, diba? Where are you going, Daddy? I'm going in now. I know, that's very, very, very big up high. Can you go up there? You think you can go in? Here?
Yeah.
Let's go, baby. Wow. Ito siya, guys. Uy!
How do you want that?
Bless natin ang sarili natin, guys. History na po siya, guys. Wow, so nice. Ang ganda, guys. What do you think is the age of this? How old do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know?
It's probably outside on the plaque.
Ang ganda dito, guys. Napaka ano nito. Matanda na to siya, guys. start. Light muna kami ng candle. I don't eat.
It's okay.
Just facing the other side. Baby, you're gonna hurt yourself. No, baby, no. You're playing now. You're playing. Come on.
What did people
You are gonna hurt yourself.
Hickson.
Do you have to pay this? You just don't read. Say prayers tayo, guys. You go get the child, please.
It's okay. Hickson.
Tapos na kami doon sa loob, guys. Hindi kasi tayo pwedeng mag-video at magsasalita kasi quiet lang daw dapat. See you! Hi, guys! Tatapusin ko na ang aking vlog today kasi pagod na kami. Kailangan na magpahinga. Bukas na naman. So, see you in my second trip dito sa Sligo. See you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Shishi.
Bye-bye.
See you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
View for tonight. Football match.
Come on.
A bit of a Guinness, guys. Cheers. Cheers.
Go my face back.
Oh, sorry, baby. Cheers. Ang laki ng glass ko, guys. Gin and tonic. Guinness.
Guinness. Yum yum.
Cheers. Baby Hickson is here. Drunk now, guys. See?
Only you.
See? Hi guys! If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye!